Alright, let's now talk about non-supercell severe thunderstorms. One of the hazards, even with non-supercell storms, are still tornadoes. These tornadoes kind of form in a different way. They form along a, we call it surface boundary, where we can generate some local spin. And as you can see, this is a pretty good picture of a non-supercell tornado. They're pretty narrow most of the time, but they can still cause considerable damage. They are also called landspouts. The damage can be up to EF2 into the strong tornado category, and they could last maybe up to possibly as long as 10 minutes, but not as long as supercell tornadoes. Also, these tornadoes are difficult to detect on radar. So basically, most of the times we're going to have visual confirmation of these tornadoes. So your reports are very important in this situation. Again, these are pretty tough to detect by radar. And another hazard as we get into the summertime, especially July and August, are what we call severe microbursts associated with severe thunderstorms. And these winds can be up to greater than 60 miles per hour. Sometimes they can be much stronger, maybe possibly 80 to even 100 miles per hour. Again, these storms are tough to detect on radar. We're not going to have, definitely the lead time is going to be very short, and basically we see the signatures, and the warning will go out, but the lead time is short, and again, your reports are very important with the microburst. And what you're going to be looking at with the microburst is very strong downdraft associated with the thunderstorm. Could be a lot of dust being picked up, what we call a rain foot or a dust foot, and that means very indication of very strong winds with these thunderstorms, and they should be reported. Again, there it is, the downdraft, impact, and then the winds picking up the dust and spreading out. Again, these storms produce strong and damaging winds, and sometimes it can be as high as 80 miles per hour. Here's another example of a microburst. This is out near Mertzen, and this was during the month of May, but again, this was mainly a storm producing downburst. And with these storms, they are far more common than tornadoes, and this is the main damage with these storms are damaging straight line winds with the microburst or downburst.